we can all agree that Jamaica is a very, very special place, and there are some things that really only we can understand, like these memes. If you're not saying meme, you're not Jamaican. For example, look on this one.
Memes.
Go on, man. Enough space. And don't forget this part. How you buy your license? You're not a driver. A 3 car could have passed right here, so.
And then one ends up over into the gully bank.
You're right, Joe. Them say, how you drive, car or truck? 3 truck could have passed here, so.
By the way, is that a ladder? Oh, because I don't know where that picture come from, but that was a while back. I haven't seen one of those cars on the road for, I don't know.
Hey, the man where I look down this side, the precipice, him not easy, you know, man.
Well, you know what? You ever see some of those roads in, is where? Which part of the world? Far East? No, man. Some little roads so with some precipice. Bus go over them all the way, Nepal and them place there.
Look here.
The road wide compared to some of those
Good morning.
roads.
I come
Let me tell you.
Me love one, but that's not a semi regular. Because I get a drive, me can't go up there.
Road.
No, see, somebody have a drive, me can't do it.
Junction road is like that. I don't do junction for fun. Yeah. Do not do junction for fun.
And this what you call Devil's Race Course?
Where is that again?
When you're driving from like the Guys Hill route to St. Mary, from Bogwalk and go through them.
Oh.
Devil's Race Course.
Then no, I didn't call it so.
It has that name.
From there, somebody said that, but taking the alternate route.
Yeah.
Next one. Jamaicans be like 3 and 3. What is wrong with that? That is absolutely correct.
3 and 3.
Of course. Of course.
Well, I hope it not in a pep.
You ain't go maths class. What 3 and 3 London?
And 3. 3 and 3.
3 and 3 is 6th.
That's right.
With a T at the end of the 6,
All
of
right.
course.
What's next, Miss Carrie Berry?
Jamaican be like, how did you know I was... What gave it away?
True, man.
Let me see.
True. Something about Jamaica people.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, man, Jamaica state, it's like Jamaica people do it on purpose, you know. Like them say, oh, me I got a stadium here today, you know.
Everybody gotta know.
In a Russia, I say, me I put on my Jamaica colors, you know.
Flag shirt, flag pants,
man.
flag brief, flag
man.
shoes.
Yes,
I mean,
man.
just in case they have to go to the doctor, you know what I mean?
The hair,
paint the face,
everything.
Can we just extra like that?
We love a country.
Name overdo it.
We love a country.
Overdo it.
We love a country.
All right. Jamaican conductors be like, one more. Oh my God. Smile up for yourself. Road driver. Or like the taximan now. One already. To a move. Wow. I wonder if people actually see that outside of Jamaica and think that's what we really do for true. Because it's not.
Hello, Jamaica.
But we get the pints.
I had a lecturer who he said he used to load buses in Africa before he came into the West, and he said when he came to Jamaica and saw the way they were loading buses, he was like, what?
Refined process.
We load the bus. That's what I tell you, so not fighting African heritage, not fight it. When I see them a load bus, I tell them say there was no bus loader convention. That everybody sit down and said, this is the way you load a bus. Naturally, same way.
So how did he used to load a bus?
Same like how them did in Jamaica. Pack up people, them and run alongside the bus. Hey, Marvin, a school people used to feel it, you know, man. When them have like all 10 away on the bus step, and then the doctor put him on round with salt, like him can't hold 10 school picnic in case the bus turn over. So.
Yeah.
Well, I guess him used to have a whole way, but I mean, that's crazy.
Load them and them serious, but them work though, you know.
Come schoolers, me not left you. And you're there on the bus door and I say, I must tell you.
To the point of harassment.
Yeah.
All right. Me not talk about that one here. Come here, carry feelings.
Which one's this one? Let me see it. When your neighbor get barrel from far. It's true. It's true. Because the barrel come, everybody have to get something outside.
I wouldn't know. I'm still waiting on my barrel.
No, man, I give away Simone things, man. Simone and grateful. You see them neighbor there? Look on them, grateful people. Look on them face. Look on them face. Eh? Them look on them face. Them happy for you. Them happy for you.
No,
Whether you give them, whether them get, no, they don't get something.
That's not happy for you. That is anticipation of what?
No, them happy for you.
No.
And look at it. Look it. Whether or not they're going to get something in them hand for say, well, this come out of the barrel. At least when food cook, because you know rice have to come in a barrel.
Yes, them are wait for little sweet soap,
and peas
or little onion, or little rice.
Onion in the barrel?
Perhaps one of them did draw their foot onto a piece of paper. From? Of course, onion come in the barrel. What are you talking about? Well, how would you know about barrel
onion
anyway? You don't send any. And also onion in the mesh bag.
Also what? Real onion and
what would you know about barrel? You don't send barrel.
You lie put food in a barrel. And that's why she not get it because she got enough food.
You don't put food in the barrel?
From Africa.
The barrel can't ship unless food in there. You crazy?
Onion? No, sir. I'll chef feel if you agree with me upon that one.
Cheryl, Chef, how old are you? How old are you? Did you know when barrel was barrel?
Peas, Wrigley's,
Irish 42 years there. You know when barrel. Back in the diesel, when onion was a staple. Irish Spring had to be in there, rice had to be in there.
Tin something.
And the shoes that you did draw your foot on piece of paper to get
cereal
was into there. No way I tell you.
And only for clothes.
Sweetie. All right.
Jeans, of course, guys. Jeans have to soften up, have to be the buffer. Jamaicans be like, me no need no lotion.
Oh gosh, that's not true. That's not true. That is not true. Jamaican people have some of the smoothest, shiniest foot I've ever seen. Them take a lot of pride in their feet. If it's even coconut oil, they're going to rub it on their foot to take off the dry.
I'm a Jamaican foot that. I don't agree.
My foot look like that more time, but...
Sheffield, I rebuke you.
Chef, what did you just say?
No, I am not going to repeat it on air. Sheffield apparently knows somebody whose foot looks like that, so let me take it back when I said nobody.
And Chef told him to go and take off his white socks. Really, Chef? Jamaican foot don't stay like that. Jamaican people take a lot of pride in them foot.
But the foot can't stay so all day. You know this son that the little sweat them was the sweat no wipe, but wash off somebody white.
Like him rub charcoal on him foot. Yeah, no. I'm not buying this one. Not our people. Ladies, I'm going to tell you. There are some things you have to just take it on. If you have a man and him foot looks so, I'm begging you, please. Hand him some lotion. All right. What's the next one? Chef Topinizer, man. Jamaican parents be like, say you couldn't wash up the 2 little plate them in the kitchen. I've been there. Yeah. I've been there. Yeah. It never was quite so much, but it was enough for me to know it. It was not 2 little plates. Christmas dinner going. Look like a restaurant this. No man, Christmas dinner. That could have been Christmas dinner. You know, that's why I believe in plastic plates so strongly. You know, they have the nice little China looking ones, you know, that look like real plates, and when you finish, you just fling them into the garbage. No washing necessary. No. All right. No, especially if the crowd big. No. Next one. What you say, London? Oh, I think you said nobody. How often we do that? Every single one. It's not a universal thing. Uncle Jamaica people do that? Especially when the milk tin was into the fridge. And it won't come out fast enough. No, hold on. Jamaica people don't do that? No, I think so. Then we say them get out the milk. What I say? Did you also used to turn it to your head? The milk? Yeah, the milk tin. We used to do that too. Well, yeah. So when it finished now, you open it proper. But you know, say some in there, you just take a little hot water, I throw it in there, and then you stir, or you hop in the top. On the top. And then you still open it and then put the water and then take a spoon and rinse it out. We're not wasting an ounce, people. No. That is who we are. No. All right. We got to milk it for everything that's literal in the milk. And figurative. Yes. Next one. Run it, Kerry. You don't have the video. I just want to talk to you. Come out now. Open the door. I don't know if them even care. Open the door. I don't think Jamaican parents quote it. They're not going to say, I just want to talk. They must say,
Why this door lock? A, why this door lock? B, don't make her open the door.
Don't make her to open it, because if I have to open it,
the door, it's better you open the door and come out. Because if I have to open this door, I just want to talk. No, it's our foreign parents.
and whether you open the door or them have to open it, you're still gonna get what you're gonna get.
Oh yeah. But if I them have to open
True,
it,
you get more. Yeah, truly.
because they will take off the door.
Yeah.
A Jamaican parent will be standing behind the door with a screwdriver in him hand.
Kick it in.
Lock it. That's what I said. The first thing him gonna say is, why this door lock?
You can't lock this door in my house.
Why
As
this
long as
door
you're under
locked?
my roof, this door needs to be open.
I just want to talk. That's a foreign thing. We don't do Jamaica. First of all, Jamaican parents want to talk.
Tricks. All tricks.
Jamaican parents first. Well, Jamaican parents first of all, not in the talking. From you do something and you see them go so.
You know, I think that's very cruel.
And look.
That's cruel, you know.
From you see them look.
You cannot send me for the belt to beat me. That is not right. That's not, parents, that's not right. I mean, I don't believe in beating your children, generally speaking. I'm very much set against it. I got a lot of beating when I was a child. It turned out too bad, but I did get some good straps. Yes, man, my mother special gave me some things to remember. I don't believe in it. But parents, don't be cruel about it, eh? Because a lot of parents, I know we're getting sobering now.
Think about why you're getting the beating.
But a lot of parents abusing their children,
Well,
and
yes.
they don't
But
know.
that's not a beating, that's abuse.
So
That's abuse.
that's what I have to say about that.
That's abuse. Don't abuse
Anywho.
the children. But
that.
but like Arrow, never get enough beating.
What you
Well,
face now?
that's a different conversation for girl talk. The men who are still getting beat.
Oh gosh!
We soon come back.
Jamaica is special.
Pressure.